Hi, welcome to Dragon's Cave. Now this video is BeeBeeCraft unboxing. Now for those of you who don't know, BeeBeeCraft have a they have a program where if you've got at least 100 subscribers you can apply, and they will, if you're accepted, they will send you 5 items of your choice from their website. Now they don't only do resin related things, they do all kinds of crafts. But obviously since I mostly do resin, that's what I've chosen. I did start cutting the packet open because I had a couple of other parcels arrive at the same time and I wasn't sure which came from which. But this one is obviously BeeBeeCraft because it's much better packed than Temu. So let's get that out of the way. And when I say it's much better packed, it's kind of, yeah. Sorry, I've got my camera raised as high as I can from my work surface. I hope you'll be able to see okay. Just trying to make sure I don't cut all the way through and damage the molds. Yeah, very well packed. I can't even see where the tape is and the bubble wrap ends. See, there's a, there you go. Hopefully that's in far enough to unwrap this. Okay, let me just move this down off the desk and I'll pick them up one at a time for you to see. Okay, so this one is a little Buddha. Sorry about the crackling. Hope you can see that. It's a little Buddha type mold. It's really nice and flexible. So let's pop that there. Yeah, I can't even remember exactly what I ordered, to be honest. I know what this one is. Once I get it out of the packet, you'll be able to see as well. I do like dragons, obviously, and skulls. And this is, it's a skull with a snake wrapped through it. See the snake's head just here, hopefully. Unfortunately, it doesn't look flexible enough to turn inside out, but I should still be able to paint the inside before I pour resin into that one. Okay, what's next? Oh, okay, so I obviously didn't read the description very well because there's a lot more of these in the pack than I was expecting. They are, I suppose they're candle holders, really, tea light. So that's, well, they sit together like this. Probably going to do one of these first. Fluff on there. There you go. Yeah, so it looks like, rather than the one I thought I'd ordered, there are actually 5 in the pack, which is pretty good really, because then you can kind of batch make them. Just pop them over to the side. I really must pay more attention when I'm looking at the descriptions of things. One of my recent videos, you'll have seen the, hopefully if you've seen the video anyway, the idiotic not paying attention to sizes. And I ended up with some very, very tiny dragon molds. I thought they were about 3 or 4 inches high. They turned out to be 1 inch. These are, I believe, does it say on there? No, it doesn't say what they are. Just get this out of here. They are just like small vase type molds. Oh, that's right, they're owls. I don't know, can you see the... I'm hoping you can see that better than I can on the screen. It's a little vase or candle holder, but it's an owl. See his eyes here and feathers. Yeah, I'm looking forward to doing that one. That should be fun. And now for the last piece. I chose Christmas trees. Now this is because we're doing a collaboration with Mini Scenes GB, and it's going to be Christmas in July. So this is a set of 3 trees, and they are all, I believe they're all the same. Yeah. So this is going to be for the Christmas in July collaboration with Tracy from Mini Scenes GB. I will put an end card on the video just so you can see. See, I'm going to do all 3 of these slightly differently. And there we go. That is the BeeBeeCraft unboxing. And hopefully very soon you'll see some of these made up. See you later.